In this episode, you will practice business English for making a clear sales pitch. You will hear Sophie, a sales rep, and Noah, a sales manager. Sophie needs to pitch the company's product to a potential client. Listen for useful phrases like the problem we solve, the main benefit is, and would you like to try it? After the dialogue, you will answer practice questions and review the key vocabulary. Let's begin.
Noah, I'm pitching to a new client tomorrow. I want it to land well.
Great. Don't start with features. Start with their problem.
So I should show I understand their situation first.
Exactly. Name the pain point they feel every day.
Many shops lose sales because their checkout is slow and confusing.
Perfect. Now they're listening. Next, the solution.
Our app makes checkout fast and simple in just 2 taps.
Good. Short and clear. Now the benefit.
Isn't fast checkout the benefit?
No, that's the feature. The benefit is what they get from it.
The main benefit is more completed sales and happier customers.
Yes. Always connect the feature to a real result.
Should I use any proof?
Yes. One strong number or example builds trust.
One client increased their sales by 20% in a month.
Excellent. Proof makes the pitch believable.
How do I end the pitch?
With a clear call to action. Invite them to the next step.
Would you like to try a free demo this week?
Perfect. Always make the next step easy.
So problem, solution, benefit, proof, and call to action.
Exactly. Now try the full pitch.
Many shops lose sales because checkout is slow. Our app makes it fast and simple in 2 taps.
Good. Continue.
The main benefit is more completed sales and happier customers. One client grew sales by 20%. Would you like a free demo this week?
That's clear, focused, and convincing. Well done.
Thanks. I feel confident about tomorrow.
Exactly. Problem, solution, benefit, proof, and a clear next step.
Now, let's practice with questions based on the scenario. In the conversation, Speaker 1 is Sophie, the sales rep. Speaker 2 is Noah, the sales manager. Listen to each question, pause the video, answer out loud, and then listen to the suggested answer. Question 1. What does Sophie need to do tomorrow? Pause the video now. Answer out loud. Suggested answer: she needs to pitch the product to a new client. Question 2. How should Sophie start her pitch? Pause the video now. Try to remember the detail. Suggested answer: with the customer's problem, not the features. Question 3. What is the difference between a feature and a benefit? Pause the video now. Answer out loud. Suggested answer: a feature is what the product does. A benefit is what the customer gets from it. Question 4. What does pain point mean? Pause the video now. Explain it in your own words. Suggested answer: a problem or frustration that a customer feels. Question 5. What is a call to action? Pause the video now. Say a simple definition. Suggested answer: a clear invitation to take the next step. Question 6. What proof does Sophie use? Pause the video now. Answer out loud. Suggested answer: one client increased their sales by 20% in a month. Question 7. Imagine you are pitching a product. Use the phrase, the main benefit is. Pause the video now. Speak for about 20 seconds. Suggested answer: the main benefit is more completed sales and happier customers because checkout becomes fast and simple. Question 8. How should Sophie end the pitch? Pause the video now. Answer out loud. Suggested answer: with a clear call to action, like offering a free demo. Good work. These questions help you practice making clear and convincing sales pitches. Now let's review the key business vocabulary from this conversation. Listen carefully and repeat each term out loud if you want extra speaking practice. Pitch. This means a short talk to sell an idea or product. Example: she gave a great sales pitch. Value proposition. This means the main reason to buy something. Example, keep your value proposition simple. Benefit. This means the good result a customer gets. Example, the main benefit is saving time. Feature. This means something a product does or has. Example, a fast checkout is a key feature. Pain point. This means a problem a customer feels. Example, slow checkout is their biggest pain point. Target customer. This means the type of buyer you want. Example, small shops are our target customer. Proof. This means evidence that something works. Example, a success story is strong proof. ROI. This means the return you get for your money. Example, they asked about the ROI. Call to action. This means a clear next step you invite. Example, end with a strong call to action. Demo. This means a short demonstration of a product. Example, I offered a free demo. Great. Try to use 3 of these phrases today in your own business English practice. Well done. You have practiced making a clear sales pitch in business English. Today you learned how to start with the problem, show the benefit, and give a clear call to action. Try to practice the full sales pitch again out loud. Focus on 3 phrases: the problem we solve, the main benefit is, and would you like to try it? See you in the next business English practice episode.